Dave. This is Dark Dave's shop. Actually, this is the garage to shop. I'm going to be working a little layer today. That's down the wood shop. I'll show you guys some of what I'm doing down there. I've had to, due to shortages of things, adjust what I make this year, which isn't a big deal. I get every other Friday off, and I enjoy it. I go out for breakfast usually. I like a lot of different places, but today I went to Bob Evans. I like their biscuits and gravy. Yeah, it's a cold morning. I mean, frost was on the cars and everything. It's 30-something degrees. I think it was like 38. So it's a short ride. I'm just wearing my half helmet. So let's go take it off. Make sure I turn off my little Senna there. Whenever I'm riding in the cold, I always like making sure I have my neck gaiter, keeps my neck warm, keeps the wind from blowing down in. I'm wearing my heavy leather jacket. I have all the zippers zipped. And the only thing I don't have in it yet, and I probably should have put it in this morning, was my zipper liner. Now this is a nice one. I got it from Renegade Cycle in Annapolis. They're really good people. I've got my heavy leather vest. I've got a Under Armour warming shirt, and these are really nice to keep you nice and warm. They have thicker ones, which I wear when it's colder. If you've seen my orange one, that's a lot thicker. I like it. I wear a t-shirt under it. This one's a little tight for that. I probably should have put on my chaps because my outer legs were cold, but with the heated seat, and I was worried about it. Make sure that's off. Yep. I actually didn't turn on my hand grips today because I wasn't going real far. Where I was going was, what, 5 miles away. I'm wearing my favorite gloves. I need to get these replaced, but I can't seem to find them anywhere. I'll look online and see if they have them. I do have heavier gloves, but I don't think it's quite warm enough or cold enough yet to put those on. I'm hoping you guys are liking the channel. I do a lot of this for my own benefit to keep having fun. Now, I've had my bike serviced. It's been the 25,000 mile service. It had to be a split service. There's nothing wrong with a split service. What that means is they didn't have all the stuff. As I said, my wood shop, I'm having to change some things up because I can't get some of the things, or the things I want to get are just out of the price range for me donating them. So I had to get the oil change for the 25,000. I had to get the head bearing checked and everything, get all that taken care of. That's a 25,000 mile service. They'll do it again at 50, 75, and 100. The 25 and 75 are the lesser of them. They check them and all that, but they put them back together. At the 50 and the 100, I guess they tear it all apart and replace them. It's pretty cool, but right now, due to a number of factors, it's hard to get things. Tires are really hard. A lot of electronic components are really hard. And I think it's gonna get a lot harder before it gets better due to a lot of factors. I don't wanna get into why. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the channel. Please subscribe, let me know what you think. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not gonna go and do something stupid. This is not a big channel. I do not do bike mechanic on my own. I can do some things. I've got a bad back. I'm not doing much anymore. I will keep working my wood shop, and because it's getting into the winter months, you're probably going to see a bit more of the wood shop. I didn't really do as much last year because of a number of issues. This year, I'm hoping to do a lot more in the wood shop. Let me know if you guys want to see more of the wood shop, or if I should break the channel up to just have Dark Dave's shop and Dark Dave's wood shop, or Santa's wood shop. They do have a Santa channel. That one usually is only around from Thanksgiving through Christmas, but if you want to get on that channel or get it for your kids, let me know. Thank you. Well, welcome to Dark Dave's shop.